Bad Vibes, Barbados church group against Vibes Cartel's upcoming performance on Easter Sunday. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, and a special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International, that's in the Cayman Islands, and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Giovanni Dennis. Also this evening, dark times. Vehicle of JLP MP Challenger vandalized in Westmoreland, and police arrest and charge suspected kidnappers. There's also Saturday Sports Special and weather in this newscast, so stay with us. I'll have the news in detail right after this break.